and welcome to Beaufort County's today's top headlines. I'm Chloe G. Cars lap 1 time, 2 times, 3 times around the Hilton Head Piggy Wiggly parking lot. It's the weekend and owner David Martin stands outside watching people scour for a spot. Once they park, they don't pull out shopping bags and grocery lists. Instead, out come the umbrellas and folding chairs. They're beachgoers, not shoppers, and they walk past the store, past the packed Coligny Beach lot, and across the street to the ocean. Martin, who has lived on the island for decades, compared beach parking on Hilton Head to the Wild Wild West. More than 3.1 million people visit the town throughout the year, and there are 53,500 year-round residents. Where those people leave their cars when they go to the beach has become an issue. Busy parking lots during tourist season or festivals harm businesses by taking away parking for customers in their private lots, and they frustrate those who can't find a spot and can be unsafe for vehicles and pedestrians. For decades, Martin said he can remember Hilton Head trying to wrangle the issue. Currently, the town is hung up discussing how to implement an electronic parking program that's been in the work for at least 4 years now, according to Deputy Town Manager Josh Gruber. The Beaufort County Sheriff's Office has announced some upcoming road closures for the upcoming week. Starting on Tuesday, April 23rd, there will be lane closures on Rebo Road in Port Royal between Ron Lane and Lenora Park. This work will be conducted through Beaufort County Spanish Moss Trail Extension Project. The right eastbound lane is expected to be closed beginning at 3 until 6 a.m. Another closure will be on Laurel Bay Road and Highway 21 in Beaufort. This closure will take place between the hours of 6 a.m. and 8 p.m. Monday, April 22nd, all the way till Saturday, April 27th. In addition, the ramp coming off of Highway 21 onto Laurel Bay Road is permanently closed. During this time, officials are asking travelers to please prepare and expect minor traffic delays. Drivers traveling through the area are asked to please be mindful of our traffic control team and the crews working within the area. South Carolina has continued to fall further behind the rest of the country on the most important jobs metric there is: labor participation. Meanwhile, a separate report ranked the Palmetto State number 3 nationally on a list of states where employers were struggling most to hire workers. But what gives? First, the numbers. For the second straight month, only 57.1% of South Carolina's working age population was part of the workforce in March. This reading was just 1/10 of the percent higher than the revised record of the low 57% recorded from August through November of 2022. It is also the 4th worst reading in America, according to data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Nationally, labor participation ticked up 0.2% to 62.7%, meaning South Carolina's position on this critical employment indicator continued its decades-long erosion compared to the national average. Beaufort County will hold a public meeting for the Meridian Road Pathway and Middle Road Sidewalk projects, 2 of the 14 priority locations approved by voters in the 2018 1-cent sales tax referendum. The meeting will be held Tuesday, April 30th from 5 p.m. until 7 p.m. at Ladies Island Middle School Gym on 30 Cougar Drive. The county will present the proposed 10 multi-use path design for Meridian Road from Ladies Island Drive to Sea Island Parkway and the proposed 8-foot sidewalk design for the Middle Road from Walnut Hill Street to Sam's Point Road. The meeting will be conducted as an informal drop-in format. There will be displays that depict the proposed design, and representatives from Beaufort County Engineering, J. Bragg Consulting and Infrastructure Consulting, and Engineering will be available to discuss the proposed improvements, answer questions, and listen to feedback. No formal presentation will be made. But that is all the time we have, and if you would like to find out any more information about any of the stories you just heard, be sure to check out any of the sources that you see on your screen. Thank you, and have a good rest of your day, Beaufort County.